Hello all and welcome again to the C tutorials. In this class we are going to see about looping statements that are available in C. Looping statements are used to perform a set of tasks repeatedly. Consider a case in which you are going to print numbers from 1 to 10. Rather than using 10 printf statements one by one, you can use a looping statement and a printf statement to print all the 10 numbers. So that makes your coding a bit easy. So there are three kinds of looping statements available: while, do while, and for loop. So we are going to see that now. So we are going to write a program for better understanding. So let me create a file. I'll name it while.c. So I've already typed in all the basic lines that C program should consist of. So in our program, we are going to print numbers in reverse order from 10 to 1. So for that, we are going to use while loop in our program. So let's get started. So I'm creating a variable and giving it a value 10. Note that this is similar to this. So it's okay to use anything. So I'm defining it at the spot of declaration. So note down the basic syntax of while loop. So its syntax goes somewhat like this: your statements. So this is the basic syntax of while loop. So in our program, we are going to print all the numbers in reverse order from 10. I'm giving it a new line for better look. So I'm going to print A, and I'm going to decrement the value of a once it's getting printed, because the first time the value to be printed will be 10 and next time the value to be printed should be 9. So the value of a should be decremented after it's been printed. So in the conditions area you have to tell that at what condition the while loop should execute. So I want the while loop to be executed whenever a is greater than 1. So this is the condition which I am giving to the while loop. That's all for the program. So we'll save it. We'll run it. So that's being printed. 10, 9, 8, 7 till 2 it's being printed, because I have given the condition that a should be greater than 1 and not greater than equal to 1. So this is what a while loop can do. So next we'll see about do while loop. I'll give you the basic syntax of do while loop. So this is the basic syntax of do while loop. So here you can see that the condition area and the do while loop is at the end, and in while loop it's at the beginning. So this is a difference between while loop and do while loop. While loop is called as an entry check loop and do while loop is called as an exit check loop. The basic difference between do while loop and while loop is that the do while loop executes at least once, because it doesn't check for any condition when it enters the loop. It checks for the condition only when one execution is completed. So this is the basic difference between while loop and do while loop. We'll do the same problem again. I'll make the value of a to 10 because it's been changed here. So my statements will be somewhat similar to what I have did in while loop. Sorry, a, and I'm decrementing the value of a, and my condition would be similar to a. So this will be my do while loop. So I'll save it, run it. So you can see that the answer is being similar. So that's a bit boring. So we'll change the values in do while loop and play with it. So we'll see how do while loop responds to our values now. So in this program, I'm going to make my value of a to 0. So if I do the same with while loop, it shouldn't enter the while loop, because a's value is 0. It will not get printed because a greater than 1 will evaluate to false. But in do while loop, it will be a bit different. Check it for yourself. So as you can see, from 10 through 2, it's the result of while loop, and 0 is the result of do while loop. So this is the difference between while loop and do while loop. So that's it for today. We'll see about for loops in our next class. So take down the problem for the day. You're going to use while loop or do while loop along with your condition statements, any one of them, and it's better if you use if else statement. So here it goes. I'm going to give you numbers one by one, and you're going to add it, and you have to stop your addition operation once I enter the number one. So this will be my question. I hope you understood the question. I'll give you numbers one by one, like 10, 9, 8, 7, etc., etc., and you have to add it, like 10 plus 9 plus 8 plus 7. So you have to add it one by one, and you have to stop the addition operation at the time when I give you the number one and display the result. So this is your problem for the day. So please try to solve it, and thank you. Hope you understood what I taught you today. Please subscribe for our channel, and please do continue watching our videos. Thank you.